Honorable Chief Guest for the function, Professor Gopal Rao, Director IIT Delhi, Dr. Suman Sinha, Chairman Renew Power, our Honorable Chancellor Sri Sunil Galgotia, CEO Sri Dhruv Galgotia, Guest of Honor Sri Pankaj Singh Ji, our deans, faculty members, and my very dear graduating students. First, I'd like to congratulate all of you who are graduating today. Please accept my greetings. And I'd like to compliment you, your parents, and your teachers who have taken all the effort to shape you and taught you all these years that you have spent at Galgotia University, that you are going out, stepping out as confident individuals to take on the world. Also, my congratulations are to those who have earned the medals and other accolades, and also those of you who have landed up with good jobs. Today, you are stepping into the real world, the world that is going to be exciting, challenging, demanding, but at the same time rewarding as the time goes. Use your learning that you have acquired to adapt, and not only to adapt, but also to break out and make a change and move away from the status quo and create something new, something which is going to make a difference. But to do that, you have to continuously be on your toes, keep on learning, unlearning, and relearning, because learning to learn is one of the lessons you have to carry when you step out of the campus. One thing that has changed during this crisis is that technology, we have all used technology, but technology has started playing a bigger role in our lives, or the technologies that have become disruptive, and the digital technologies are going to make a difference in whatever we do. So master the technology and never be afraid of experimenting and finding new solutions. Never be discouraged, never look back, give everything you have got, and when you fall throughout your life, fall forward. And that is what Denzel Washington said. So life is going to be exciting. You're going to take up bigger challenges in life. You're going to lead from the front. But you must remember, learning will never stop. You will have to keep acquiring new skills, skills that are fungible, skills that are transferable, because in today's world, which is complex, which is uncertain, which is volatile, you will need capacity to deal with these challenges. You will have to be emotionally strong and balanced. You will have to build relationships and your networks, because relationships are going to go a long way. You are going to be fair and ethical in your dealings. You're going to be persuasive and objective when you deal with other people and look at the teams with which you work, and also acquire the skills to comprehend complex problems and find solutions. You have to be global in your outlook, because we live in a global village where all the boundaries have virtually collapsed. So you have to have a broad-based outlook and global mindedness. As I said, ethics and values, no compromise, because today you live in a world which is absolutely transparent. So we talk about individual credit in the financial markets. Well, times have come where you have to create credibility in the social networks, and social credit will come a long way to define who you are. Your mental health and wellness, you have to always be conscious and keep investing in that. You have to be confident in dealing with people and taking up issues and be able to effectively communicate. And please remember, whatever you do, whatever you achieve, achievements will be yours. But I think the joy is in sharing, and what will matter is the difference that you make, not only to your life and life of your family and your friends, but other people. How many people you can reach out, what difference you can make, how much can you and how you can contribute to society, and especially to those who are not as privileged as you are, who are walking out with fantastic degrees from this university. So please be conscious that world is going to be demanding, challenging, exciting. Technology is going to play big role, and you will have ample of opportunities to experiment and explore and achieve what you want to achieve. As we say, the world is open, the field is open. It's for you to select which you know game, which sports or which way you want to move, what kind of approach you take. And whatever you do, be conscious, because whatever we do, I think if we do it consciously, we will always remember that it has consequences beyond the immediate results. So as long as you live your life with those kind of values, as long as you are conscious of the fact that people who have helped you and you stay grateful, I think you will become great leaders and be very responsible citizens, and you will make all the difference. So I wish you all the best. Go there, make a difference, because that's what everybody is looking up to you. That's what society wants from you. That's what your parents want from you, and that's what your teachers and all of us want from you. So all the best. Be there and do what it takes to make a difference. Thank you so much.